Hello everyone, and welcome to our medical English class. Today we begin Unit 1, Health and Illness. In Arabic, health means الصحة, and illness means المرض. Please look at page 1 on the left side of your screen. This page has 3 sections. Section A, asking about health, السؤال عن الصحة. Section B, sickness, المرض والغثيان. And Section C, recovery, الشفاء والتعافي. Today, we will also learn collocations. A collocation means words that always go together. In Arabic, المتلازمات اللفظية. For example, in English we say make a recovery. We never say do a recovery. The verb make goes with the noun recovery. Collocations are very important in medical English. Are you ready? Let us begin with Section A. Look at the highlighted part of the page. This is Section A, asking about health. The book says, health is the state of the body. In Arabic, الصحة هي حالة الجسم. Notice the word patient. Patient means المريض, the person who comes to see the doctor. When doctors want to know about a patient's usual health, they ask 2 common questions. Question 1. What is your general health like? In Arabic, كيف هي صحتك العامة? Question 2. How's your health generally? In Arabic, كيف صحتك عموما? The 2 questions have the same meaning, but different forms. In question 1, general is an adjective describing the noun health. In question 2, generally is an adverb, and it means عموما, or بشكل عام. Here is our first collocation. General health. الصحة العامة. The adjective general goes together with the noun health. Please repeat after me slowly. General health. What is your general health like? How's your health generally? Very good. Remember, as a doctor, you will ask these 2 questions many times. Now look at the 2 word maps highlighted in the middle of the page. The left map shows words for a person who is not ill. ليس مريضا. Healthy. معافى. Fit. لائق بدنيا. Fit means well and strong. Well and very well. بخير. The right map shows the opposite words for a person who is ill. مريض. Unhealthy. غير صحي. Unfit, غير لائق. Unwell, متوعك. And poorly, عليل. Now, 2 very useful collocations. In good health, بصحة جيدة. And in poor health, بصحة سيئة. We always use the preposition in, not on, not with. In good health. Next, word formation. From one root, we make many words. Health is the noun. Add the letter Y, we get the adjective, healthy. Now add the prefix un, spelled un, and we get the opposite, unhealthy. The same with fit. Un plus fit gives us unfit. And well. Un plus well gives us unwell. The prefix un always gives the opposite meaning. البادئة تفيد المعنى المعاكس. One more collocation. Resist illness. يقاوم المرض. A healthy person can resist illness. Let us move to Section B. Sickness. Sickness has a similar meaning to illness, but be careful. In Arabic, sickness can mean المرض or الغثيان والقي. It depends on the sentence. Sickness is also used in the names of some diseases. Sleeping sickness, مرض النوم, and travel sickness, دوار السفر. These are collocations too. Sleeping goes with sickness, travel goes with sickness. Now, some important medical terms. Nausea, الغثيان, nauseous, يشعر بالغثيان, vomit, يتقيأ, and diarrhea, الإسهال. Look at the table on the page. When a patient says, I was sick this morning, It can have three meanings. 1. I was ill, كنت مريضا. 2. I felt unwell, شعرت بتوعك. Or 3. I vomited, تقيأت. So the doctor must ask more questions to understand. And one last collocation here. Sickness and diarrhea. This means vomiting and diarrhea. القيء والإسهال. Now, Section C. Recovery. الشفاء والتعافي. Watch the word formation here. Recover is the verb. يتعافى. Recovery is the noun. الشفاء. Same root, different forms. When patients return to normal health after illness, they have recovered. Here is the most important collocation of today. Make a recovery. The patient made a good recovery. The patient made a full recovery. The patient made a complete recovery. شُفي شفاء تاما. Remember, the verb make goes with recovery. Never say do a recovery. Next, two opposite verbs. Improve, يتحسن. If the patient's health is returning to normal, the patient is improving. And deteriorate, يتدهور, the opposite. We say the patient's condition improved, or the patient's condition deteriorated. Condition means حالة المريض. One more point about word formation. Improve is the verb. What is the noun? The noun is improvement. Improve plus the ending M-E-N-T. Improvement. In Arabic, tahassan. Same root again. Please repeat. Improve is the verb. Improvement is the noun. In speech, doctors and patients often use the verb get to talk about change. Look at the highlighted table. 3 collocations with get. Number 1. Get over an illness. This means to recover. يتعافى من المرض. For example, he got over the illness very quickly. Number 2. Get better. This means to improve. يتحسن. Number 3. Get worse. This means to deteriorate. يتدهور. Now, 2 more important medical terms. If a patient is better but then gets worse again, the patient has relapsed. Relapse. ينتكس. And the noun is انتكاسة. The last word, remission. هدأة المرض. Remission is another word for improvement, especially in recurring conditions such as cancer. Cancer, in Arabic, is السرطان. The collocation is in complete remission. في هدأة تامة. For example, 2 years later, she remains in complete remission. Excellent. That is the end of page 1 and the end of the theoretical part. Now, let us practice and solve the exercises. Here is page 2 on your screen. Exercise 1.1. Complete the table with words from sections A and B. We must change each noun into an adjective. Same root, different form. The first one is done for us. The noun, fitness, اللياقة البدنية. The adjective is fit, لائق بدنيا. Next, the noun, health, الصحة. What is the adjective? Yes, healthy, معافى. We add the letter Y to the root. Next, the noun, illness, المرض. The adjective is ill, مريض. And the last one, the noun, sickness, المرض أو الغثيان. The adjective is sick, مريض. Very good. Remember, the nouns are fitness, health, illness, sickness. The adjectives are fit, healthy, ill, sick. Exercise 1.2. This is a collocation exercise. Make word combinations using a word from each box. Let us do them together, one by one. First, complete. Complete goes with remission. Complete remission. هدأة تامة. Second, feel. Feel goes with sick. Feel sick. يشعر بالغثيان. Third, get. Get goes with over. Get over. يتعافى من المرض. Fourth, poor. Poor goes with health. Poor health. صحة سيئة. And we say in poor health. And the last one, travel. Travel goes with sickness. Travel sickness. دوار السفر. Excellent. These 5 collocations are very common in medical English. Please write them in your notebooks. Exercise 1.3. Complete the conversation between a doctor and a patient. Look at the highlighted dialogue. The doctor asks, "How are you feeling today?" The patient answers, "Not very well. Lest ala ma yuram." Number 2. How long have you been feeling unwell? متوعك. About a week. Number 3. What is your general health, like normally? الصحة العامة. Remember our collocation. Number 4 and 5. The patient says, "Very good. I'm usually quite fit and well. لائق بدنيا وبصحة جيدة." Then the patient says, "It's my stomach." Stomach means المعدة. Number 6. Do you feel sick? Here, sick means nauseous. تشعر بالغثيان. Number 7. Have you actually been sick? Here, been sick means vomited. تقيأت. You see, the same word, sick, has 2 different meanings in English. Number 8. Have you had any serious illnesses in the past? أمراض خطيرة. And the patient answers, "No, none at all." Our last exercise, 1.4. Choose the correct word in each sentence. Number 1. Her condition deteriorated and she died. تدهورت حالتها. Number 2. He recovered and was allowed to go home from hospital. تعافى. Number 3. The cause of sleeping sickness was discovered in 1901. Remember the collocation, sleeping sickness. مرض النوم. Number 4. The patient made a full recovery. Make plus recovery. Never remission here. Number 5. I have been in good health for months and feel very fit. بصحة جيدة. Number 6. It was a month before I got over the illness. تعافيت من المرض. Get over plus an illness. Number 7. He seems to be rather unhealthy. His diet is bad and he never exercises. غير صحي. Unhealthy describes his lifestyle, not a short feeling. Finally, over to you. What advice do you give people for keeping fit and well? ما نصيحتك للحفاظ على اللياقة والصحة? Think about it and tell me next class. Thank you everyone. Well done today. Goodbye.